Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am Kavita and today is day 2 of our 15-day daily 50 sentence practice series. If you missed day 1, go check it out and remember one thing, practice help you speak more fluently. So let's practice together till the end of the video. How are you? How are you? I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you. What's your name? What's your name? My name is Kavita. My name is Kavita. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from India. I'm from India. What do you do? What do you do? I am a student. I am a student. What's the time? What's the time? It's 10 o'clock. It's, it's 10 o'clock. Can you help me? Can you help me? Sure, no problem. Sure, no problem. I am sorry. I am sorry. It's okay. It's okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You are welcome. You are welcome. What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue. How's the weather? How's the weather? It's sunny today. It's sunny today. Do you like coffee? Do you like coffee? Yes, I love coffee. Yes, I love coffee. What's for dinner? What's for dinner? We are having pizza. We are having pizza. Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? Yes, of course. Yes, of course. Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom? It's over there. It's over there. How was your day? How was your day? It was great. It was great. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Take care. Take care. What are you doing? What are you doing? I am watching TV. I am watching TV. Do you need help? Do you need help? No, I am good. No, I am good. What time is the meeting? What time is the meeting? It's at 3 p.m. It's at 3 p.m. Can I have some water? Can I have some water? Yes, here you go. Yes, here you go. How do you spell that? How do you spell that? It's home. It's home. Let's go outside. Let's go outside. I am feeling tired. I'm feeling tired. What's the plan? What's the plan? We will decide later. We will decide later. Do you have a pen? Do you have a pen? Yes, here it is. Yes, here it is. Good night. Thank you guys and keep practicing. Happy learning and subscribe for more videos.